8-month-old is taking a nap. My toddler is watching How the Grinch Stole Christmas, and I need to organize my cabinet. So let's get to it. What I will say is that I did start this project last night while dinner was cooking. Okay, so this is the kids' cabinet. So obviously down here we've got Grayson's purees, some of Kennedy's favorite snacks, and then her plates, oatmeal, whatever. Looks pretty good. I think it's in good shape. But now I'm gonna show you some of the other cabinets that need a little bit of help. Dun, dun, dun! Listen, if you don't have a cabinet like this in your house, I don't believe you. Everybody has one of those cabinets. And if you don't, just tell me you do to make me feel better. Anyway, let's get to work. The coffee is coffeeing. I probably should have done the dishes before I started this, but whatever. All right, I think I'm just gonna put salt in this little Tupperware. That way I don't have to keep taking out this big box. Clearly, I love salt because I have pretty much every type of salt that you can think of. I also have kosher salt, you know, like the big flaky salt. I also have that, which is in another drawer. I'm gonna put this all up. I'm gonna put my salt collection up here. All right, now that we've got all that up there, I keep finding more salt. We have plenty of salt. Like I said, I love my salt. How I ended up in one of my spice drawers, I don't know, but here we are. And I think it's because the overflow of spices have been going in there, so they do kind of, you know, they do kind of mingle together. Okay, I feel like these bowls should go back in the same spot, right in the front, easy to get to. Ooh, I'm making chicken pot pie soup again tonight for dinner. I've been making it once a week. It is so good. It is so good. One of my favorites, honestly. One of Carl's too, actually, which is interesting because usually I will hyperfixate on a certain dinner and Carl will get sick of it, but he has not gotten sick of this yet. He loves it just as much as me. Being honest, we're gonna put the salad spinner up there because I haven't used that since I got it. Because usually I get lettuce pre-washed. I'm just being honest, but we have it in case we need it. Look at that. Market Basket honey and Whole Foods honey. Because we shop at both stores. I digress. Okay, but like, look at the difference here. Not bad, not bad. And we have room there for some other things that I'm sure I'm gonna find as I clean the rest of the kitchen now. I gotta get going on dishes. I will talk to you guys later. Happy Sunday. Are you guys doing any cleaning around the house today? And if so, let me know where you're cleaning. Because I don't know why, I just feel like I find corners and cabinets throughout the week and I'm just like, ooh, I should really put that on the list to organize next. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.